Mastering Java's static keyword. Everything you need to know. Introduction. Welcome back to another Java tutorial. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful yet sometimes misunderstood aspects of Java programming, the static keyword. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your understanding, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp on how and when to use static in your Java code. What is the static keyword? At its core, static in Java is used to define class-level variables and methods that are shared among all instances, objects of that class. This means you can access them without creating an instance of the class. Static variables, class variables. Static variables belong to the class rather than any instance of the class. They are initialized only once, at the start of the execution, and are shared across all instances of the class. We'll demonstrate this with a practical example, showing how changing a static variable affects all objects of that class, static methods. Similar to static variables, static methods belong to the class rather than any instance. They can be called without creating an instance of the class, making them useful for utility methods or operations that don't depend on instance-specific data. We'll explore why and when to use static methods and discuss their limitations. Static block. A static block is a block of code enclosed in and preceded by the static keyword. It's used to initialize static variables when the class is loaded. We'll cover its syntax and provide examples where static blocks are beneficial, such as initializing complex static variables or performing setup tasks. Static versus instance, non-static. Understanding the difference between static and instance members is crucial. We'll compare how static and instance variables methods behave differently in terms of memory allocation, initialization, and their respective use cases. This comparison will clarify why certain methods or variables should be static while others should not. Best practices and common pitfalls. We'll wrap up with some best practices for using the static keyword effectively in your Java programs. This includes when to avoid using static, potential pitfalls such as overuse leading to code coupling, and how static impacts code readability and maintainability. Conclusion. By now, you should feel confident in using the static keyword in Java to its fullest potential. Whether you're optimizing memory usage, improving code structure, or simply mastering a fundamental concept of Java programming, static is a powerful tool in your arsenal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Java tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.